Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a board on Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create board in Trello, you just simply have to open your Trello application at first, and after that Trello will show you this page after signing up into Trello. You just simply have to tap into this, create your first Trello board in order to create the Trello board. And after tapping into there, you just simply have to select what kind of board that you want to use. At first, I'd like to make this basic board in here. Just simply tap into the board you want to make, and then you can choose all the available templates into here. And after that, just simply tap into create board from template, and you just simply have to name your board and then select the workspace. Then after that, change the visibility from this section, and after that just simply tap into create board option, and your board will successfully be created into this very easy steps. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.